Hello. Hi. So this is Clover's cage. Now, we all know that we're supposed to have Java trees for parrots to play on, but who exactly can afford, I'm sorry for the noise, but who can afford like a £200-300 tree? We couldn't. Like I say, who can afford a Java tree? So I kind of came up with another idea. Now, let's see what Clover actually thinks to it. Right, and here it is. My goodness. And voila. So we didn't make it as high as it can go, but we've put some of her favourite toys from that rubbish old apparatus we had before. And then we've put her some monkey nuts and her rope so she can get up and down. So fingers crossed, she's going to like it. And by the way, we made the entire thing with this madam. Doing just that for maybe an hour. Nearly. No, nearly.
Good girl. Good girl. Ooh. What's this?
This Clo.
Toys.
Wow. Clever girl. What have you got? Hey, pretty girl. You're doing well, Cara. Get her interested.
Looking a bit bitey.
No, that's it. I don't want it, thank you.
Okay.
I don't want it. Go on, throw it in her house. Where did it go?
Where is it?
Get Birdie. Yeah, Chloe. and the cat still sleeps, purring away. So as you can see, folks, it looks completely different to what we made on the bed. That's because if you can see the very top of the house nearly touches the ceiling. Okay, so where Clover is now, she wouldn't have even been able to get in. So we decided to take out the platform and bring it down one or two, and then have one of her other toys hanging from it. Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. We've literally only had it up for 10 minutes. What you've seen on camera is all we've done, and she's just been straight onto it. So like I say, protect all the nuts and the bolts, protect the beads and all the rest of it. Make sure there's nothing that she can harm herself. But goodness me, doesn't this prove you don't need a £200 to £500 Java tree?